since we're all Commonwealthians here, Australia has done really, really well in recent years on clinical trials. And I just ran a quick comparison around structure of what they did versus Canada, and it seems like it's two things. They made big changes to the regulatory environment. So the ethics committee approves in Australia, but you don't have to, you simply notify the federal authorities. You don't look for approval for them. And so that starts a study in 5 to 6 weeks.
Wow.
And in Canada, there's a 30-day Health Canada review, but it's apparently very fragmented. It's province by province, hospital by hospital ethics committees, so very unstructured. And the other thing is Australia offered a crazy refundable R&D credit of 43.5% for trials that are happening inside Australia. So, big financial incentive and big speed incentive. And given that clinical trials are by reputation expensive and slow, it turns out to be really big. And, it's just Australia's been punching above its weight. I hear about them in trials all the time. And this seems to be the primary reason.
Yeah, and just some data to back that up, Alex, just so you're aware. Oh, sorry, Costas, but I did a little bit of a just analysis of clinical trials run in different countries, right? And actually, Canada in some ways punches above our weight as well, right? Of course, the largest, it's US, and then China is very high up there. It's surprising there's other countries like Spain that do quite well as well. And at some point in time, Canada, I think, was like third or fourth or fifth, something along those lines, right? And Australia basically caught up to Canada in the last 5 years. So Australia is way behind, and then somehow they just leapfrog way ahead. And it speaks a lot to, I think, the changes that you're talking about, Alex, around regulatory, around, you said, what was the other thing? You said regulatory was
it's a tax rebate.
Seems like the big tax money, yes.
I think it ends up being, I think that's basically half off your clinical trial.